welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Adiel.
I am Little Princess.
And that's your name?
I'm Nancy.
And
Your mom.
And we're gonna clean up the room, and I'm not even good at it. Guys, we're gonna try the end of the video. So let's go.
Yeah? You wanna show them?
Oh Lord.
Do you really wanna start?
Oh, go for it.
Whose blanket is that?
Mommy, you
What
bring it
about
over
this
here.
one? What about this one? What
That
about
one?
this jacket?
That's
And then what about this little car right here?
And what about this jacket? And these stinky socks.
You fart. Let's start? Yeah? Okay, let's start, okay? Okay, my room. A mess. It's such a mess.
It's because of you.
It's a mess. A mess. A mess. A mess. A mess. And a mess. Okay, Arielita. This is your job. Take everything out of the trash and then wrap them. You know how to do it.
Cut my head off.
Excuse me, Jumbo. Everything's gonna come on the camera. I'm all nasty.
I smell your armpits.
Ready? Okay, let's go take a water break. Kids, let's go take a water break and then we're gonna do.
We're taking a break.
No, a water break. Let's go.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I have my dog, but we have a cousin over there. Look at him!
It's not a cousin, it's my brother. She's my sister.
And we have to touch it with our phone, but we have, and you know what we have? But it's a surprise. Look back and our dog, Salobina.
What's that?
Mina.
Salorina.
Oh, okay. Mommy, so guys, you guys are gonna see how I play in Fortnite. I play on PS4. If you want me to, if you want to invite me, my username is right here, and you can know what's my name and username from Fortnite.
Again,
And
Thomas.
I play in PS4, and you will see it right there. So guys, it's season 7, and you guys are gonna see how I play, and the scream is super awesome. Look, I did. Okay, that's enough. And today is season 7, and you guys are gonna see how I play Fortnite, and I hope my Battle Pass doesn't go away. So it does. Oh, that commercial! I saw that before. I saw that. Christmas tree. Doggy. Like he's gonna watch TV, and the real Fortnite is gonna get. Watching TV, and he's gonna eat some cookies. When he watches TV, this is gonna be the real Fortnite. There's gonna be snow out from the Fortnite. Real Fortnite. Snow. Oh, they're gonna try to fight. There's airplanes. Boss. I think they do this. Oh! Holy look! Why are they doing this? we're done with cleaning up, and we did it. And we didn't know we were gonna do it because we had a little bit of time.
Yeah.
And we did it. So if you want more videos like this, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want more videos like this.
Bye, guys.